9th standard final chemistry paper. This is section 1. Let us look at question number 1, which is MCQ. Which metals give hydrogen on reacting with water, acid as well as alkali? Now, acid as well as alkali means it is amphoteric. So it could be any one of these. Which one did you take? Then, with the rise in temperature, which salt shows steep increase in solubility is potassium nitrate. That solubility curve, you must remember which graph goes like this, which one goes like this, which one goes like this and like this. You have to remember all those things. We come to the compound of metal X is XClO3. Now XClO3, you have to know the chlorate valency of it. So think of the compound like KClO3, that is potassium chlorate. Now you know potassium is 1 plus, so chlorate will be 1 minus, so this will be 1 minus, so X will be 1 plus. Now valency of X is going to be 1 plus. We come to the next one. In the reaction this Zn undergoes blah. Now your thinking step is Zn, which is an atom, is becoming Zn2 plus, which is an ion. How did it become ion? By losing 2 electrons. So loss of electrons means it is oxidation. So zinc is undergoing what? Oxidation. So this and this. So let us say out of this copper sulfate. Now copper sulfate is here in combination means 2 plus becomes Cu atom from ion. How did it do that? By gaining 2 electrons. So gain of electrons means it will be reduction. So oxidation and reduction, this is the correct option, not this. Let us come to substance that does not contain water of crystallization is right on top of EC series, that is niter, which is KNO3, even NaNO3 for that matter. Okay, you must know the formulas for Epsom salt. Do you know Epsom salt, gypsum? This used to be in your earlier textbook. It is not part of your textbook now. So what is the formula for Epsom salt and gypsum? Be quick and tell me.
Epsom is C2H5OH and gypsum C8.
Epsom salt is MgSO4 dot 7H2O and gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Okay, so now remember that page where all those hydrated salts are there. They can ask you a pentahydrate, heptahydrate, dihydrate, monohydrate, like that they will ask you. Okay, so you have to remember those. Those who do not know those by heart, learn it up. Okay, now let us come to fill in the blanks. What is the first blank of the atomic number is correct? Did you get that? Carbonate that does not decompose on heating will be, when it does not decompose, it's because it's got strong affinity for oxygen. So right on top of EC series will be this strong affinity. This will give you CaO and CO2. Salt that undergoes photochem is the silver salt. Metal oxide that is reduced by hydrogen. Now reduced by hydrogen will be not on top of the EC series, it will be somewhere lower. Na2O will have strong affinity, it cannot be reduced by normal reducing agent. Understood? So here it is CuO. Gas that fumes with ammonia is which one? Hydrogen chloride, because remember HCl plus NH3. That gives us NH4Cl. They can ask you for the observation also. Dense white fumes of ammonium chloride is formed because are formed because it's a sublimable solid. Okay, coming to C part. Match the atomic number this. So 2 means you'll have to write the electronic configuration. Keep this ready. What this will be? 285. Please participate so that you will get better revision. 287. What is 19?
289.
No. You
Yes,
cannot have
ma'am.
more than 8 electrons in the last one. What will be 20? Tell me.
282. 282.
Now you understood. The moment you participate, you will come to know immediately that I don't know this, and you will be forced to complete that revision. Understanding? Please participate. Now group 1 means 1 electron in the last one. So which one it will be? 19. So first one is 19. The second one, a diatomic gas. Diatomic gas will be like Cl2 or 286O2. Now can you see this is 287 is chlorine gas, no? Correct? 3 shells. So Clinton in Argentina, can you see that this will be 287, this is a gas. So this will be, second one will be 17. What will be third one? In 18 means noble gas. Noble gas will be having full complete octet or duplet, means this one, correct? Then the fourth one, 2 electrons in its n shell. N shell means K, L, M, N. Can you see that? Which one it is? And the last one, solid non-metal. Now this is also, we finish with this, we finish with this, we finished. Wait, this, sorry, this we didn't finish. We finish with this. So this will be solid non-metal. Why? Because it is 285 means sulfur. Is it sulfur? No. Sorry, which one it is? What is 285? Naughty magazines are read by all sick people. Phosphorus hai na? This is phosphorus, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So phosphorus is solid, no? It is a solid non-metal. So this will be 15. Okay, you have to remember the mnemonic, and you have to, if you are not comfortable with this, you will write like this your hydrogen, and then I have told you the mnemonic for this, correct? Do you know this by heart to write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And then we'll have king and calcium, correct or no? Yeah, and then I told you group 1A also, little naughty king robbed rubies of Caesar in France, correct? Yeah, and the halogens are F, Cl, Br and I. This much you should be knowing. Apart from that, your teachers don't expect you to learn anything more. Basically, this is up to 20. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that, the atomic numbers will be uh, arranged. Okay, so we come to D part. So far, how was it? Did you get better marks than what earlier you would have got? Yeah, balanced chemical equation. What is the first one saying? Boiled water on heated Mg. So Mg plus H2O. What is the reaction? It is able to split. Mg is active metal. It is going to split H2O like this. Did you get this right? Potassium nitrate. All the nitrate decomposition, do you know it by heart? K and Na are right on top of the EC series, okay? So they will have strong affinity for oxygen, so it will become KNO2 plus O2. Okay, see this is O3 is there, so one molecule will become KNO2 and O. But we don't write O because it's a diatomic gas. What type of gas it is? Diatomic gas. Understanding? So I'll write O2 here, so we double this and we double this. Understood? Now tell me, if
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
NaNO3, what will be the reaction? Tell fast. Come on, tell. I'm not writing. Tell.
NaNO2 plus
No,
O2
no,
upper.
no.
2Na,
So
2.
NaNO2 plus O2 up arrow.
Very good. Supposing now we come to KNaNgCa. I take CaNO3 twice. Now this is slightly lower in the EC series, correct? We still take two molecules of it. And what is the decomposition? CaO it will become, so 2CaO. Then which colored gas is given out? Tell me. Which colored gas from here will come out?
Ma'am, reddish brown colored gas.
Very good. That is, what is the name of that gas?
Nitrogen dioxide.
Very good. How many N's do you see in one molecule? 2. So 2 molecules, there will be 4. So what you'll write? Correct? And then one colorless gas, which is oxygen, will be given out. Correct? Yeah. What is the color
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this? Observations. Now all nitrates are important. Okay. So I'm writing here as star reactions. These are not in the paper, but you need to know. Okay. What will be the first observation? Reddish brown nitrogen dioxide gas is given out, correct? Hello. And what is this? White residue. Understanding? Then we come to, come on, tell me, 2ZnNO3 twice peak on heating gives
2ZnO plus 4NO2 up arrow plus O2 up arrow.
very good. What will be the observation? This is the first observation. What will you see?
Reddish brown gas is evolved.
Nitrogen dioxide gas is evolved. And the residue is
Yellow when hot and white when cold.
very good. After that we come to this. This is again an important decomposition reaction. Tell me, what will you get here?
2PbO plus NO2 plus O2 up arrow.
Very good. What will be the first observation?
Reddish brown nitrogen dioxide gas is evolved.
And leaving residue of?
Yellow.
No,
Yeah.
not yellow. What
Buff
is a buff yellow? Very good. Residue which sticks to the glass and stains glass yellow. Not just stains it, but stains glass yellow. Okay? Okay. Now if they say all the observations, then you'll add even this. What will you say for this? Colorless, odorless oxygen gas which rekindles the
glowing splinter.
Very good. And if it is CuNO3 twice, tell me what will be the reaction? Give me balanced reaction. 2. Come on, speak.
2CuO.
No, from here you have to start. From here say.
2CuNO3 twice on heating gives 2CuO plus 4NO2 up arrow plus O2 up arrow.
Very good. And what will be our first observation?
Reddish brown nitrogen dioxide gas is released.
Leaving behind residue of black copper 2 oxide. Copper 2 oxide.
Yes.
Copper 2 oxide. Whenever you write over there CO, don't say copper oxide. Because CO has got variable valency, I told you. Got it? After that, the last one is this. This one is the only non-metallic nitrate. So on heating, it gives you N2O plus how many H2O? H's are 4, so 2H2O, correct? Hello? And this is the only one which leaves no residue. Can you see that? This also is a gas and this also is a vapor. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So the only non-metallic nitrate leaves no residue. Remember that. So in objective questions, this will be very, very important and tricky, because first of all, you start racking your brains, which is the non-metallic nitrate. Okay. So you understood all the nitrates. You have to know all the nitrates by heart. Where were we now? Sodium hydroxide with zinc oxide. ZnO plus. What do we have to know about ZnO? What does this mean? Amphoteric. So it will give you salt and water. Understanding? Because acid and base
Yes,
give
ma'am.
salt and water, so this and base also will give you salt. Which one? Complex salt. So Na2 ZnO2 is the salt, and water means H2O. Don't say H2 will be out here. Understanding? Hello. Now Na2
Yes,
means I'll have to write 2 here to balance Na. Is zinc balanced? Is oxygen balanced? See here, 2 and 1 3, 2 and 1 3. Is H balanced? Yes, it is balanced. We come to the fourth one. Action of heat on ammonium chloride. What is ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. Do you know it undergoes thermal dissociation?
yes, ma'am.
If you don't write reversible arrow, your teacher can cut your marks. Two gases will be given out. Which are the ones?
NH3 plus HCl.
Very
Okay.
good. But if they say write the products, you will say ammonia, and what you'll write for this? Hydrogen chloride.
Hydrogen chloride.
Don't write hydrochloric acid, okay? Hydrochloric acid is the dilute solution of it. Understanding? Dilute sulfuric
Yes,
acid with
ma'am.
sodium bisulfite. So sodium is here and HSO3 is bisulfite. Okay, and you are saying that we add sulfuric acid. So H2SO4, and they say dilute, so we write dilute. Now this is what you should do. Tell me Na is 1 plus, no 1 minute, Na HSO3 होता है, sorry mistake किया मैंने. NaHSO3 twice, so Na will become 2 plus, no? Oh my goodness, what a stupid mistake I made. Did you see how I checked? Did you understand how I checked that? No, not understanding. Understood or did not understand? Didn't understand, no?
Understood.
Understood? So this is Na1 plus. So this will be 1 minus. Understanding? If there was 2 minus
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
I would have got Na2. Understanding? If I put HSO3 twice, that means Na is what? 2 plus. Okay, so
2
see,
plus.
Na is 1 plus, so this will be 1 only. Alright, now see, 1 Na and 1 SO4. But Na is 1 plus and SO4 is 2 minus. So crisscross gives you Na2SO4. Correct? So I'll have to write 2 here to balance Na. You're with me? Then, can you see this 1H and 1HSO3 gives you H2SO3. This is your thinking step, which is an unstable acid, so it becomes H2O plus SO2 up arrow. But there are two H's and two HSO3s, so I will have two H2SO3 will give me 2 here and 2 here. So this bit I will write here. So what you will say, plus 2H2O plus 2SO2 up arrow. You with me? So we understood up to here. So we come to the observations now. State one observation for the following reactions. Number 1, water is added to anhydrous copper sulfate. Now, anhydrous copper sulfate is what color? White. So,
White.
So what you'll say, white, underline that. And what?
Amorphous.
Anhydrous. They use the word anhydrous, no? Anhydrous, amorphous, copper sulfate turns into what? Blue what? Hydrated.
Blue hydrated copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate, underline hydrated, underline this sulfate, and what you will have to write? Crystals, because they'll become crystals. Understanding? You're with me? See the keywords underlined, yes? What is the second one? Tell me. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to. So for this you will need the ZnS plus H2, dilute HCl. So HCl dilute, what will happen? Tell me. This is what happens. So Zn will take Cl, but Zn is 2 plus Cl is 1 minus. So ZnCl2 means I'll write like this, 2 to balance that Cl plus H2S, correct? And what is the observation for this? Colorless.
Colorless.
H2S gas. Smelling of
rotten eggs is given off.
Rotten eggs. Underline rotten eggs smell is given out. But after that, what you have to write? Which turns, what is the test? Moist what? Underline moist. Lead what?
Acetate paper.
Very good. Black. Very good. What keyword you will underline? Silvery. Okay. Lead nitrate is heated. Didn't we discuss this earlier? We will have reddish brown NO2 gas and residue will be yellow, sticks to the glass, stains glass yellow, correct? Now, how many of you have a problem with percentage composition? Is there anyone who has a problem? What will be the first step you will do? Tell me what will be the first step you will do? RMM, no? So RM will be 2 into N means 14 plus 4, correct? Plus C means 12 and O3 means 3 into 16. So this will be 18 to 36, correct? And this will be 12 plus 48. How much is that? This is 50, 60, 96, yes? And then what you will say? The mass of hydrogen will be, how many hydrogens do you see here? There are 8 hydrogens, no? Correct? So percentage of hydrogen, you will write the formula first, mass of hydrogen upon total mass multiplied by 100%, and then you'll write 8 upon 96 multiplied by 100%. Make sure that you're writing percentage sign properly. Okay, so this is doable. We come to the next one, atomic structure of atomic structure diagram for formation of methane. Now for methane, what you will have to do? Methane, first of all, you'll have to write C12. So that will be, C12, 6. So the electronic configuration is 2, 4, correct? Then H is 1, 1. So that will be 1. Write the configuration first. Then what you will say, carbon you will show 1, 2, 3, 4. Then carbon needs 4 more, so plus plus here. And then hydrogen atomics, oh dear me, not electron dot diagram, Ray. Oh, atomic structure. So what you will do, carbon, show like this, correct? Then one shell and then one more shell. These are 2 electrons and then 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Plus hydrogen, and you will show one more shell with the shaded one, and this is the shaded one. Understanding? Correct? This is what you will show first. Then you will show the arrow. Then what you will show? You will show this carbon. You will show the first shell with the hollow electrons, and then you will show the second electron which will have this overlapping ring. This is so time consuming. Understanding how it is? Now one electron of hydrogen and one of carbon, one of hydrogen, one of carbon, one of hydrogen, one of carbon, one of hydrogen. Understanding? Okay, and then show the arrow if you have space. If not, then show the arrow down, and then you'll say C single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, and that will give us CH4. Understanding? Give reasons. What is the give reason? Concentrated sulfuric acid not used in the preparation of hydrogen gas. Concentrated sulfuric acid? Concentrated sulfuric acid. Now we use dilute sulfuric acid or dilute HCl, but not HNO3 and not concentrated. What is the reason? This will be the same as nitric acid. Why nitric acid is not used? Because it's oxidizing, no? So H2 will become H2O. So will we get hydrogen then? No. Correct? So what you have to write over there? Conc H2SO4. Can you write that? Oxidizing agent and oxidizes hydrogen to water, hence cannot be used in the preparation of hydrogen. This again is the learning type. What is the reason for this? Because it has impurities.
impurities of calcium and magnesium
chloride, which are
which are
deliquescent in
100%.
nature. They absorb
So they
moisture,
absorb moisture.
dissolve in it, and table salt becomes sticky. Okay, so this is learning work you can do on your own. What is the reason? Here is the learning type of question. I don't know if it is there in your textbook. It was there in the earlier textbook. Hi. Hi, ICSE actually it is. I don't think they'll ask you this because this is a 10th standard physics gave reasons, so just leave it. Those days they had another textbook, your school. Solubility, what is the formula for solubility?
Weight of solute upon weight of solvent per 100.
Very good. Weight of solvent. What is solvent? Sodium chloride. You'll first write the formula. And solvent is what? Water. Correct? Oh. So it will be 100 upon 3 means what? Correct? Easy? Let us look at the next one. From the gases, greenish yellow gas that turns moist, starch, iodide, paper, blue, black. Blue, black, it is chlorine. Okay. Basic gas which turns red litmus blue is ammonia. Where is ammonia? Neutral gas that burns in air or oxygen forming water will have to be hydrogen, correct? It burns in air forming water, so it cannot be oxygen, right? Oxygen cannot combine with oxygen forming water. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now match the following. Can you see that? Is it simple? Is it simple? Is it simple? Which one is difficult? Never mind this. Don't look at this. Tell me which one you don't like. Is this difficult? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So acetate comes from acetic acid. Have they mentioned anywhere CH3COOH is acetic acid in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't remember, remember Chatriku. See here, Chatriku. Acetic acid, Chatriku. Okay? Now this H will be replaced by sodium. So it will become Chatrikuna. See the Kuna? Like Puna. Will you rhyme it with Puna and say Kuna? And put it under the Chhatri. Okay? Chatrikuna means what? Sodium acetate because it came from acetic acid. I think rest of them were okay. Na? Manganate, per manganate is KMNO4. So manganate will be KMNO2. Correct? All right. Let us come to section 2. Distinguish between following pairs: carbon dioxide gas, sulfur dioxide gas. What you will say? You will make 2 columns, correct? First will be CO2, and just 2 days ago when I did this with the other school, what did I tell them and what am I telling you? Both of them are gases. So you have to bubble each through acidified KMNO4 solution. then no effect, then CO2 gas, and if it turns it colorless, clear colorless, then SO2 gas. Isn't it repetition? Tell me which other test I can use acidified K2Cr2O7. But what will I write over here? Bubble each through. Each of this gas and this gas bubble through this. What will I get for CO2? No change. Okay. But for SO2 what I'll get? If orange turns clear green, no, orange solution turns clear green. Yeah, कर सकते हैं? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now sodium chloride means NaCl and potassium chloride means KCl. What is different? The cation is different, right? And they say use flame test. So what you'll write over there for test? Use flame test. So Na, what you will get? Tell me. Persistent golden yellow flame, then Na1 plus present. Therefore, NaCl present. Understanding? Then K. What you will write for this? Non-persistent lilac flame. Then K1 plus present. Therefore, KCl present. Easy. This is not there for you in your textbook. It was the old textbook that had it. Now look at this next one. What are they telling you? There is X2311. What does it mean? The atomic number is 11, which is number of protons, which is equal to electrons, correct? And what else it knows? That mass number is 23, therefore number of neutrons is 23 minus 11, which is 12. So much information we get from here. Which period and which group? Electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? 11 means 2, 8, 1. So which period? Period 1. No, period 3. Sorry, mistake. Period 3. And which group? Period 1. Can you see that? 3 shells. So period 3. Group 1 because the valence electron is 1. So this is your first answer. Then the second answer. Formula of the compound between this. So Y is 8 and 16. Correct? Therefore, what is Y equal to 2, 6? Correct? Means it is oxygen, no? What is 2, 6? Isn't it oxygen? So you'll say therefore it forms therefore what is the formula? Now oxygen is a non-metal and this is a metal. Can you see that? Hello? So your X will be 1 plus and Y is oxygen will be 2 minus, correct? Because 6 electrons here, it will gain 2 electrons. So it will become 2 minus. So what is the formula? Tell me. X2Y.
X2Y.
Understanding? Now, the third one. They are saying write the equation. Now, equation X plus Y. Will I write X plus Y equal to X2Y? Because this is oxygen, so it will be O2 means Y2, correct? Correct? So if I have 2 Y's, I'll have to write 2 here. So how many X's do you see here? 4. Did you understand the reaction? Oh, formation of the ion of X they asked. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is not the third equation, third part. What is third part? Third part is X, which is 1 electron here, minus 1 electron gives you x1 plus. Okay, now this note down as the star question. Sometimes they will ask you, write write equation for formation of what? X1 plus, no, sorry, formation of compound between X and Y, comma, if Y is a diatomic gas. Now when they write like this, sometimes the children get confused, sometimes. But they are just telling you, if this is the compound, it is formed because X is added to Y. So you will have X, X2Y is the compound, and they are saying this Y is a diatomic gas, means it will be Y2. So balancing Y here becomes this, and then 4X. Understanding? This is how they mean. Okay. Now can you see what mistake this person has done? What is the mistake this person has done? Tell. The question is X has become X1 plus. What did they write? Ulta like this. Can you see that? So take care of that. How's it going so far?
Ma'am, it's going okay.
Okay. Am I going too fast?
No.
Speed is okay? Alright. A, B, C, D. What are they? B is the inert gas they are telling you. So it is Z. And they are saying it's not helium. If it is not helium, then this will be 8, correct? No. Will it be, what it will be, tell me? If it is not helium, then it would be 2, 8, correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us say, of course, it could be 288 also. Okay, you understood. They are not telling you from period 2 or period 3. So your Z will be, let us say, if we take this, then Z will be 10. So A will be 9, correct? And C will be 11, and this will be 12. Understanding? If it is 9, then it will be 2, 7 means halogen. This is 2, 8 means inert gas. This will be 281 means group 1, and this will be 282 means group 2. Understood? From here, what did we find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they are telling you, write the chemical formula formed between A and C. So A and C. What is A? 2, 7 means 1 minus. What is C? 281 means 1 plus. Correct? Therefore, the formula will be, this is a metal, this is a non-metal. So it will be Ca. What did they write? Ac. Wrong. Understanding? Now A and D. What is A? 1 minus. What is D? 2 plus. Crisscross will give us Da2, correct? This 2 will come here, no? This means
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
D2 plus and A1 minus. Understanding? Now see, crisscross, when you do Da2 you're getting, yes. Now third one, they are saying B, it has 3 shells. B has 3 shells, so it will be 2 8 8, means it is which one? Correct? Says Clinton in Argentina, remember? Making sense? Tell fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this, let us see if we are having any problem with this. How many of you are having problem with this? Is there anyone who has problem, or it's easy? When you look at it, do you know the answer or don't know the answer? Don't know the answer? What is confusing? What is the answer here? Shall I help?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can you see this is an ion and this is an atom? Did you see that?
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Why is this negative? Because it's got extra electron. So that electron will be lost. If it goes that extra electron, this will become neutral. Did it make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now remember, what is this?
Oxidation is loss, reduction is gain.
Correct. Is this loss or gain?
Loss.
So what you will say over here? Loss
Oxidation.
of E bar, therefore it will be
Oxidation.
Now let us look at this. Now there are 4 positives. Now if you are getting worried for this in your rough work here, this side, I don't have place, so I'll show it here. This SN has 1, 2, 3, 4 protons which are not neutralized. But now it has become only 2 positive, means these 2 have got neutralized and only these 2 are shown as positive. That means it has gained 2 electrons, no, this fellow, because
Yes,
2 electrons were added. Understanding? So it is what? Gain
of E bar,
electrons,
therefore reduction.
Therefore reduction. Also remember the 7 differences between oxidation reduction. This is decrease in positive valency, so reduction. Supposing it was SN2 plus becoming SN4 plus, can you see there is increase in positive valency, so it is oxidation. Okay, FeCl2 becoming FeCl3. Can you see Fe2 plus has become Fe3 plus? Can you see this is 2 plus here and this is 3 plus here? Increase in positive valency, oxidation. Understanding? But if they tell you Fe3 plus becomes Fe2 plus, it is decrease in positive valency, therefore reduction. Okay, so then you, even if you don't write it this way, it's fine. Now you tell me, this is an atom or ion? Ion means charged body. Is there a charge?
Atom.
This is atom or ion?
Ion.
So ion and positive means this has lost 2 electrons, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it became positive. Then what you'll say? Loss of
electrons, therefore oxidation.
Correct? Understood? So we understood this part. Alright? Now tell me. Deliquescence, effervescence, learning work. They give you this. Don't say this is lithium. Don't say this is sodium. You have to write it as A, E, B, whatever. Okay? Identify the element, the smallest atomic size. Atomic size decreases across. I told you this diagram. Didn't I tell you this diagram? Down the group, what happens? Atomic size increases, and across the period atomic size decreases. Can you see that? So the smallest atomic size will be here this side. Yes. Where is period 2? Here. This will be large size, this will be small size. Yes. Yes. Understanding? So which is the first answer? Tell. You're with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now supposing there was FGH. Supposing there was H over here. The size of D and size of H. Which one would be bigger? Say don't know.
D.
Now remember, this is your D is 2,7 and this is 2,8, correct? Now 2,7 has got 1 electron required here to complete the stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. 2,8 is the second shell is full, and first shell is full and second shell also is full. So when there are two shells which are absolutely full, then these electrons have repulsion. They get repelled from each other and the size becomes slightly bigger. So this one will be bigger size, this one will be smaller size. Why? Because it's a noble gas. Noble gas has got slightly bigger size than this, because the electron shells are fully complete. Which is more metallic between A and E? Now A and E, the atomic size is going to be like this, correct or no? It's going to be increasing. Now metallic means that it is going to become a metal easily. Means it is going to have loss of electron easily. Now, which of A and E can lose electron more easily? The one that is not tightly bound. When it will be tightly bound? If the atomic size is small, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron, that size is less, so tightly bound. This size is more, so loosely bound. So this electron will be lost easily than this one. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So which one will become cation faster, A or E?
E.
So that will become more metallic. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the formula between the compound formed between A and F. What is A? What is the valency? 1 plus F. What is the valency? 16 means what? This will be 6 electrons in the last shell. 6 electrons in the last shell means it will be gaining 2 electrons, so 2 minus, correct?
Yes.
Now crisscross will give us A2F. Which is the inert gas?
J.
What is the configuration of it? It's period 3, so 288. Electronic configuration of B. What is B? B is 13. No, sorry, not B13. Period 2, no? So first shell will be 2 and the second shell will have 3. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 2 shells are there, no? 2 shells are there because period 2. And 30 means the valence electron shell will have 3 electrons. How is it? How's the balancing here? How many of you are okay with this balancing? First one. Yes, just say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who's not comfortable? Is there anyone not comfortable? You have to do this. See here. Can you see this? So Na will take Cl, it will become NaCl. But how many Nas are there? 2. So I'll write 2 NaCl, but here there is only 1 Cl, so write here 2. You understood how to go about it? Then H2CO3 means H2O and CO2. Okay? For the second one, can you see over here? There are 2 S's here. So I will need 2 here to have 2 S's. Can you see that? Okay. Now one Cu is balanced. 1 SO4, 1 SO4 is balanced. Now I have one more SO4. So one more S is here. And O4 means here 2 and here I'll need 2. So I'll write here 2. Now how many H's do you see? 4. So I've got 4. Yes? How are you with this? Can you see C becomes CO2, H becomes H2O? And can you see here, this is an even number oxygen. So there'll be even here and even here. But this is odd, so we make this even. Understanding? Now how many H's do you see? 4. So 4 is balanced here, H. How many carbons? 2. So we'll write here 2. And then I'll have 3 O2. So can you see 6 are here? So 4 and 2, 6. Yeah? For this, remember, Fe2O3 has become Fe, matlab it will have to be 2Fe. And can you see there are 3 O's? So 3 O's, so I'll write here 3. So 3C will take 3O. So this will have to be 3. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us look at this one. This one. How is it? Zinc carbonate. Everybody knows ZnCO3 on heating will give us, tell me, ZnO plus CO2. Which is the gas?
CO2.
Carbon dioxide. And residue will be what? Yellow when hot and white when cold. Ammonium dichromate. Didn't I tell you this is an important reaction? Do you know it by heart? NH4 twice Cr2O7. On heating, what happens? It decomposes with what?
Cr2O3
Flashes of light, and gives green voluminous mass plus 4H2O plus N2. They will ask you, when this is heated, which gas is liberated? Tell. Okay, so residue color is fluffy green, green voluminous, whatever. Okay, gases evolved, which one are there? Steam. Don't write H2O. This one's written H2O. What you have to write? Steam and nitrogen. Can you see the mistake here? This is learning work. This is learning work. Yes, I told you how to go about it. Now, tell me this. Don't we know this? How many times we have done this diagram? Lots of time, right? Yeah? Impure H2. Which one is not here? Phosphine and arsine. So phosphine and arsine have been absorbed by A. What is A? Now here, what has been absorbed? H2S. H2S is absorbed by what? Correct? Did you understand what is B? Lead nitrate. Then here CO2, SO2 have been absorbed here. So it is not KNO3. What it should be? Correct? And this H2O means water vapor has been absorbed here. So this is fused calcium chloride. How is it? Good. Name the substance D and the purpose. It is a drying agent because it's a hygroscopic substance. Is it coming to your mind? Yes? Was today's paper too tiring for you?
Ma'am, it is quite long.
Today's paper was long. Okay, so that is why you all are quiet just now. Now telling you oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Haven't I done these type of questions? But these are little confusing. Now you have to check. Look here. What is happening to Hg? HgCl2 means this 2 has come from here. So this is Hg2 plus. It has become this, means what? 1 plus and 1 minus. Understanding? This is the first. Okay, now look at your Sn. What is happening to Sn? What valency is Sn here? Come on, look there. Tell me. What is Sn valency? Cl is 1 minus. No, it came here and this 2 came here. So what is Sn valency?
2 plus.
Okay, and this is, tell me what? Sn. Tell me this 4 came from here, so?
3 plus.
Understanding? So far understanding?
Yes,
okay. Now you can either say that this is plus 1 electron, or you can say decrease in positive valency, therefore it is reduction. Did you understand the two ways in which I looked at this and said it is reduction? Understanding? Now here tell me what is happening. Increase in positive valency, so it is oxidation. And earlier 2 valencies were showing up, 2 protons. Now 4 protons are there. That means 2 electrons have lost. So loss of electron means oxidation. So Hg2 plus has got reduced because of this. So this is the reducing agent. What is reducing agent? SnCl2. 2 is the reducing agent. Understanding which is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent will be HgCl2 because it is oxidizing SN2 plus to SN. See, from here to here oxidation is there. What made it oxidate? This one. The one that gets reduced becomes oxidizing agent. Understanding? What is getting reduced? Hg2 plus. So that was this one. So that is the reducing agent. The one that gets reduced becomes the oxidizing agent. Now substance undergoes oxidation. Which substance is getting oxidation, undergoing this? SN2 plus is which one? This one. And substance undergoing reduction?
HgCl2.
The oxidizing agent will undergo reduction. Instead of Hg, I wrote Ag now. Now these are the important questions. They can ask you different questions based on this. I have given you in this question bank. Okay? In Bosch process, you can do this on your own. These are learning questions. Let us look at 6. Element has 7 electrons. In which shell? M shell. What does M shell mean? You have K, L, M. So this will be 2, 8, 7. Understanding? What is the configuration? See, you got it. Is it oxidizing or reducing agent? Now again you will say X. It is 7 electrons, so it will have to accept 1 electron and it will become X1 minus, correct? What is gain of electrons? This is reduction. Therefore, it is an oxidizing agent. Understanding? Understanding how to think? Write the equation for forming the ion I just showed you. Okay? Now look at this. Balanced chemical equation for aluminium with dilute. So Al plus HCl dilute. Al is active metal, it is above H, so it will displace H and will combine with Cl. What will it form? AlCl3, because Al you have to do in your mind 3 plus and Cl1 minus. And plus I will have H2 up arrow. Now H2 means this is even number. Has to be even number, right, of H. But if I take AlCl3, then it will be odd, so I'll take 6. Did it make sense to you? So I will have 6H means 3H2 and AlCl3, there are 3 of them. Made a mistake. Where was I? 6 here, and this is how many? Cl2. So it will be 2Al plus, can you see that? 2 Als are there, 6 Cls are there, 6 Cls are there, and 6 Hs are there. Good. Now with sodium hydroxide, Al plus NaOH. Now metal with alkali means you have to remember this. And for aluminium, important thing is that you will need H2O also. And what did I tell you about aluminium to remember? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. So 2Al plus, tell me, 2NaOH plus 2H2O, and it forms a complex salt. Which one? NaLO2 I told you.
NaFiO2.
So that is 2 again. So we finish 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? And plus it will liberate 3H2. How do you remember this? Because active metal, if I have active metal and HCl, it liberates H2, correct? So you will have amphoteric plus NaOH also will give complex salt and H2. So H2 it will be. Okay, so this is your second reaction. All this is being done with you. Only thing is that today's paper was very long, so y'all are tired. Okay, so I can understand why it is difficult for you to respond, but it's all right. By tonight you will be fine. Okay, after you revise. One word for the following statement: bond between a metal and non-metal is electrovalent or ionic. Yes. Positively charged radical means cation. Negative charged radical means anion. Everybody knows that. The one which can react with both acid and alkali is amphoteric. Yes. Write the formula white vitriol. I have given you all these. White vitriol is, blue vitriol is what? CuSO4 dot 5H2O. And I think I mentioned to you green vitriol also. Green vitriol is FeSO4 dot 7H2O. Okay, so all these are formulas. I think it was a good revision. So once you have revised everything once again and go for tomorrow's exam, you will be much more confident. Okay, so we stop here.